Welcome to PA Home, a global leader in custom home manufacturing solutions. Located in Furnishing, our factory covers over 80,000 square meters. Our state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with advanced technology and operated by skilled professionals. We source high-quality and eco-friendly materials, ensuring durability and precision in every product. To ensure speed, quality and reliability, we operate a strong global manufacturing and service network in Indonesia. Our factory and local showroom in Jakarta supports cost-effective whole home customization for the local market, while our Saudi Arabia, with 10,000 SQM facility with an annual output of 10,000 sets, including countertop production lines, serving as a key hub for the Middle East. In Dubai, our 1,000 square meter showroom and local design and service team provide one-stop solutions from design to installation for faster. At PA Home, we combine global manufacturing strength with localized service, delivering quality, efficiency, and value for residential and commercial projects worldwide. At PA Home, our integrated design and production system streamlines our operations from the ground up, ensuring every step from design to dispatch is flawless. Our cutting workshops utilize a state-of-the-art AGV automated guided vehicle system to streamline material handling. This system seamlessly connects our cutting lines, ensuring a continuous flow of materials and maximizing productivity. For edge banding, we utilize the highest quality machinery, fully automated lines from top manufacturers. This ensures perfect application of edge banding material, eliminating the need for manual touch-ups. We primarily use PUR hot melt adhesive, known for its superior waterproof properties, ensuring long-lasting durability. Our intelligent drilling lines utilize 6-sided positioning and 3 interconnected machines, guaranteeing accurate and consistent drilling, maximizing efficiency and minimizing production time. Our dedicated paint workshops on the 3rd and 4th floors utilize environmentally friendly, water-based paints for a healthy and safe finish. These paints provide excellent coverage, strong adhesion, and are resistant to water, wear, and aging. Our products are designed for straightforward assembly, making installation quick and easy. Efficiency, safety, and presentation are key to our packaging process. We use a 5-layer, high-strength corrugated cardboard with a clean outer wrap for optimal protection. In our dedicated door and window production area, our skilled technicians meticulously cut, assemble, and inspect every window to meet precise specifications. Most of our wooden doors are manufactured using automated production equipment. Before shipping, we perform test assemblies using sample units to ensure that the finished products are free of defects. Our state-of-the-art warehouse systems exemplify our commitment to quality and efficiency. At PA Home, quality is at the heart of everything we do. Our rigorous quality assurance system ensures that every product meets the highest standards. You see the array of awards and certifications that highlight our journey towards excellence. At PA Home, we use eco-friendly materials and processes to minimize our environmental impact. Discover our showroom, where innovative designs and functional solutions come together. From kitchens to bedrooms, each space is crafted to meet diverse needs and elevate every project.
PA Home also offers global partnership and dealership programs. Whether you are a distributor or an agent, you are welcome to join our brand network. Our global service coverage spans almost all of Asia. We have branch factories with showroom in Indonesia and Saudi Arabia, and also branch store in Dubai, UAE.
From the Canton Fair to KBIS USA, the Big 5 Dubai, and Indo-Buildec, we actively participate in global markets events year after year. Our personalized solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring we deliver unmatched quality and service. Where there is home, there is PA.